Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
Today we are going to see about the subtraction of polynomial. Now we want to subtract 5x square plus 10xy minus 3y square from 12xy minus 10x square plus 9y square. So here first we have to take the polynomial from where we are subtracting. Here we are subtracting from 12xy minus 10x square plus 9y square. So first you have to write that expression 12xy minus 10x square plus 9y square. Now minus, write down the second polynomial. Which polynomial we want to subtract? We want to subtract 5x square plus 10xy minus 3y square. So first we have to take the polynomial from where we are subtracting. That polynomial first you have to write. Then you have to take the second polynomial minus second polynomial. Now we can do the subtraction. For doing the subtraction, first we can take the first polynomial 12xy minus 10x square plus 9y square. Then the second polynomial we have to write. For the second polynomial, first term is 5x square. This 5x square term you have to write just below the like term. Here in the first polynomial there was one h square term, that is 10h square term. 10h square and 5h square both are like term. So you have to write 5h square just below to 10h square. So here we can write 5h square. Now 5h square, the sign is plus. You should now take the symbol. This is a subtraction. There was one bracket, so the symbol for 5 is plus. Now the second term is 10xy. In the 10xy, you have to write below to 12xy because 12xy and 10xy both are like term. So you can write 10xy here. Now the next one is 3y square. 3y square is you have to write below to 9y square because these two are like term. 3y square, the symbol is minus. Now we have to do the subtraction. In the case of polynomial, if you want to subtract, first you have to interchange the symbol of every term in the second polynomial. That is, in the second polynomial, first term is 10xy. Here 10xy is positive, so now you have to change to negative. Now here 5h square, here plus symbol, this plus symbol is replaced by minus. Now 3y square is minus, so this minus is replaced by plus. After interchanging all the term in the second polynomial, we have to do the addition. We have to do the addition with the first polynomial. Now we can do the addition. Now for adding first term 12xy and 10xy both are like term. So we can take the variable as it is. You should not change the variable. Variable is xy, that remains same. Now you have to take the number. Here 12 and here minus 10. 12 is plus 12 and 10 is minus 10. So both sign is different. So we have to subtract 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. After that you have to take the sign for the bigger number. Bigger number sign is plus. So here you can write plus. Now similarly, next term we can write, this is h square, we can write h square as it is. Now minus 10 and plus 5, not plus 5, here also minus 5. Both sign is same, so we can add 10 and 5. If you add 10 and 5, our answer is 15 and the sign is minus, symbol is minus. Now the last one is y square. You can write y square. Then here you have to take the number plus 9 and plus 3. Both have same sign, so we have to add. If you add 9 and 3, our answer is 12, and here both having plus symbol, so we have to write plus symbol. So if you subtract 5h square plus 10xy minus 3y square from 12xy minus 10h square plus 9y square, our answer is 2xy minus 15h square plus 12y square. So for the subtraction, first you have to write the polynomial from where you are subtracting, then you write the second term. After that you have to interchange the signs of each and every term, then we have to add. In that way we can do the subtraction. Similarly, here we can do one more problem. Here we want to do what must be added to 2x square minus 6x minus 5 to get 3x square minus 2x plus 6. So here we want to find from this polynomial we have to add some polynomial so that will give this answer. So for finding that one, first we have to identify what we have to do. We have to find out what we have to do. For that, just you have to take a normal number. You have to take 2. Now we want to find that. First we have to find out that. That is, from 2 we have to add some number so that our result is 10. Now how we will find this one? For finding this one, we know that if we add 2 and 8, our answer is 10. How will you got this one? Okay, for finding this one, just you have to do 10 minus 2. If you subtract 2 from 10, that will give our answer 8. If you subtract 2 from 10, that is equal to 8. That is, if you add 8 and 2, our answer is 10. Similarly, here you see 2x square minus 6x minus 5. If you add some polynomial to this polynomial, that will give our answer. So what we have to do? That is, we have to take this polynomial. That is, if you subtract this polynomial from 3x square minus 2x plus 6, that will give our answer. That is, first we have to do the subtraction. From where we have to subtract? You have to subtract from 3x square minus 2x plus 6. Okay, so here you can do 3x square minus 2x plus 6. From this polynomial, you have to minus this one. That is 2x square minus 6x minus 5. If you subtract these two, that will give our answer. Okay, that is, this answer, if you added with this one, that will give our result. Okay, so we have to subtract. Now we can do the normal subtraction. First we have to write the first polynomial, that is 3x square minus 2x plus 6. Second polynomial, 2x square like term, 3x square. So we have to write just below to 3x square minus 6x. That is, here you have to write both are like term. Then minus 5. That is also like term. Now we have to do the subtraction. For the subtraction, first we have to interchange the sign of the term. Here 2 become minus, this minus become plus, this minus that also become plus. After that we have to add. Now we can do the addition. For addition, first term same variable h square. Now 3 plus 3 minus 2, so the answer is 1. Sign is plus 1. Plus. Now the second term variable is x. Here minus 2, here plus 6. Both having different signs, so we have to subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now the sign of bigger number is plus. Now the last one is 6 and 5, both having same sign, so we can add. That is 11. So it become plus because here plus. So our answer is, what's our answer? That is, we can take x square plus 4x plus 11. That is, if you add x square plus 4x plus 11 to this polynomial 2x square minus 6x minus 5, that will give the answer 3x square minus 2x plus 6. Okay, one more problem we can do. Now we want to find what must be subtracted from this polynomial 3x square y minus 2xy square plus 7x minus 2y to get another one polynomial 7xy square minus 5x square y minus 3x plus 3y. Now for this case, here we want to find from one polynomial we want to subtract some polynomial. That is, if you take number 10 is number, from 10 if you subtract some other number, that will give answer 6. So how you will find? That is, we have to find 10 minus 6. That is 10 minus 6. From 10 we have to subtract 6. Okay, so our answer is 10 minus 6. That is, we have to subtract 4. In this way we can find out. what number we have to subtract. So first this polynomial from where we are subtracting? We are subtracting from 3x square y minus 2xy square plus 7x minus 2y. From this polynomial, you have to minus the second polynomial. What is second polynomial? 7xy square minus 5x square y minus 3x plus 3y. These two polynomial we have to subtract. For the subtraction, first we can write the polynomial. First one is 3x square y minus 2xy square plus 7x minus 2y. First polynomial we can write as it is. Now the second polynomial, first term you have to take minus 7. Now you can take the first term 7xy square. Xy square, you have to write this term just below the like term. Like term is 2xy square. So you can write 7xy square. 7xy square, sign is plus. Now the second term is 5x square y. 5x square y is below to 3x square y you have to write. That is 5x square y. Sign is minus. Now next minus 3x, that we have to write below to 7x, that is minus 3x. That is both are like. The last term is plus 3y, that is here also 2y, that is also like term. Now we have to subtract. For the subtraction, first we have to interchange the sign of each and every term in the second polynomial. Here it is minus, so it become plus. Plus that become minus. This term minus, it become plus. Plus that become minus. After that we have to do addition. We have to add this polynomial with the first polynomial. Now for addition, first we can take the first term, that is x square y. You have to write the variable as it is. Then here 3 and plus 5. So both having same sign. So we have to add 5 plus 3 is 8. So our symbol is plus. Now here xy square, both having negative sign, minus 2 and minus 7. So you have to add these two. If you add these two, our answer is 7. Symbol is minus. Now next term 7x and 3x, write the variable. Now here plus 7 and plus 3. Again same symbol. So 7 plus 3 is 10. The symbol is plus. Now the last term is, you have to write the variable y. Then here minus 2 and minus 3. So our answer is minus 5. That is our answer. If you subtract these two, our answer is 8x square y minus 9xy square plus 10x minus 5y. If you subtract these two, our answer is this one. Now next one. Here we want to subtract a cube minus 3h square from b square minus 3b square. So here first we have to write the from where we are subtracting, that is b square minus 3b cube. This is the first term. First polynomial minus second polynomial is a cube minus 3a square. This is the second polynomial. We want to subtract here. Now here in these two polynomial, there was no like term. You see here first polynomial b square, here there was no b square. Second polynomial b cube, there was no b cube. Similarly here a cube, there was no a cube in the first polynomial. A square, there was no a square in the first polynomial. At that time, simply you can change the sign. That is our answer. That is first polynomial you can write as it is, b square minus 3b cube. Now here a cube plus minus into plus, that is minus a cube. Now minus into minus, that become plus, that is 3a square. This is our answer. Okay, if there was no like term, just you have to interchange the sign of all the term in the second polynomial. First polynomial that remains same. Okay, that is from where we are subtracting. This is the first polynomial. This is first one. This one is second polynomial. First polynomial you have to write as it is. Then second polynomial you have to interchange the sign. Here a cube is plus. So in our answer a cube is minus. Here 3a square is minus. In our answer 8 square is plus. Thank you.